Click on the link below to get price. The Rockford Fosgate RZR14 STG5 audio kit is an exceptional upgrade for any Polaris RZR enthusiast looking to enhance their off-road audio experience. This comprehensive audio system features the PMX-3 Receiver, a powerful 1500-watt amplifier, and M2 series speakers that deliver crystal-clear sound even in the most rugged environments. First and foremost, the PMX-3 Receiver is a standout component. Designed specifically for powersports applications, it is marine-grade and boasts an IPX6 rating, ensuring it can withstand water, dust, and mud. The receiver offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for seamless streaming from your smartphone or other devices. Additionally, it features a user-friendly interface with a bright, easily readable display that makes navigating playlists and settings a breeze, even in bright sunlight. The 1500-watt amplifier included in this kit is a beast. It provides ample power to drive the M2 series speakers, producing impressively rich sound across a broad frequency range. The dynamic audio quality is particularly noticeable when playing bass-heavy tracks. The system delivers deep lows that you can feel, enhancing the overall listening experience during any off-road adventure. The M2 series speakers are another highlight. With their rugged construction and UV-resistant coatings, they are built to last in harsh conditions. The sound clarity is remarkable, with crisp highs and well-defined mids, ensuring that every note is delivered with precision, making them ideal for music lovers who crave quality. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the kit's comprehensive instructions and all necessary mounting hardware provided. This means you can easily integrate the system into your vehicle without needing extensive technical knowledge. In conclusion, the Rockford Fosgate RZR14 STG5 audio kit is a top-tier audio solution for RZR owners. With its robust construction, powerful performance, and impressive sound quality, it transforms the way you enjoy music on the trail. Whether you're cruising through the woods or tearing up the dunes, this audio kit will elevate your experience significantly.